ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನು ಕಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ this is axis, you need to draw this much of portion. Axis draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಏನದ 22.5 ಅದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕಟ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್, ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಲುಕ್. ಸೊ new part modeling, we'll go to sketch, first I'll draw an axis, draw some profile, so trim out unwanted portion, right? So dimensions from here to here it is 22.5 divided by 2, right? So from here to here it is how much? 22.5. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 45 ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? 45 divided by 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 22.5. What about the height here? So now this side is 12. Okay. Now what about the dimensions from this end to this line? It is how much? 65 by 2. Correct ತಾನೆ? 65 ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ? 65 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 32 ಆಯಿತಾ? Now look out here. Inside they have given a dimension, this is to be 19. $38 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 19 means it is a 7, right? Sorry, 11.5 is how much? 19 minus 11.25. Okay, so now I will delete this line. So now I will go to offset command. So somewhere you are going to get a minor change in the shape. Okay, we'll get some difference here. Let us solve it. I'll go to extend. Okay, I'll go to trim. So somewhere I'll extend it. I'll use trim. Now complete it. Finish. Okay, so axis over. Right. Now we need to cut out 4 sides. To cut a 4 side, first I will select a front plane. I will go for extruded cut. Now I will draw a circle. What is the diameter? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು diameter? Radius 5. Okay. Let us go for radius as a 5. Finish. Right. So let us go for symmetry. Cut out. One more time cut out. Now in this case I will select right plane. we'll go for just cutout, right? So again I will place one circle, its radius is 5, finish. Now let us check out right. Over. Okay.